name is Varunshekhar. So I was an attendant here at Anandkunj with my father for the 10-day program. So although I have, I'm hale and healthy, I just wanted to share my own personal experience with Shivambu during my 10-day stay here at Anandkunj. So it so happened that due to hot weather conditions, a lot of irritation and skin eczemas developed over my palms and over my feet. Over a period of time, it became blisters kind of thing, and it was very irritating, and there was a high tendency to scratch it. So I thought, okay, I have come here in Anandkunj, and it's a place where you're given knowledge about Shivambu. So let me try to get a real-time experience with myself and see if it can motivate one or two people. So on the second day of the program, rather on the third day of the program, I started massaging my palms and feet with Shivambu. So now the concept is that you have to keep Shivambu for 6 to 8 days, make it mature and then apply. But due to limitations of time, I immediately started applying a urine which was probably a day old, not 6 to 8 old, but just 24 hours old urine. And I started applying it 5 times a day. Once I get up in the morning, then after breakfast, after lunch, in the evening, and then before going to bed. I applied it, left it for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then washed it with plain water. So for a couple of days, it seemed that the itching had reduced, but then it used to increase, it used to reduce, but I never give up because it has been told and it is through my experience that along with Shivambu, it is your, the mental consistency is very important. So I continued doing it without thinking about too much. So Nitin sir always tells, Vishwas hona chahiye. So along with Shivambu, I kept that determination and I continued doing this. Today is my 10th day as I am talking here, and as you can see right in my hands, the blisters has reduced almost to 90-95%, and similarly in my feet. So why I am explaining all this is Shivambu really works. So it is along with Shivambu, you also need another elixir. It is your mental consistency, वो determination, थोड़ा सा focus. So वो विश्वास, वो hope, faith रहना है आपके अंदर में. So it will definitely work. So I did not came as a patient, but it was a real-time experience for me, and even I did not try with very old urine. It was just 24 hours old urine. So Shivambu really works. So all you need is good hope, faith and determination. So I just wanted to share this experience. All the very best. So if you have any kind of disease, any disease you can think, please come here. Please come with good hope and faith. You will definitely carry some good results. Thank you.